In this video, I'll be going over my December 2023 YouTube AdSense and analytics. So let's start with how many videos and shorts I actually published. So I published 6 videos and 4 shorts through December 1st through December 31st, 2023. And majority of my views all came from videos with 12.6K, but my shorts did get 5.7K. And then looking at my impressions, I had 219.8 thousand impressions, and then going through here, most viewers watch videos only, and then some watch both, and then 8% watch shorts only. And then how people found my channels through YouTube search, which I really love. That's number one because I want to have searchable content. And then browse features is great because YouTube is pushing out my content, channel pages, suggested videos, external and others. So YouTube search is at 44.1%, and then browse features is at 20.1%, and then so on. So let me go up to my actual other analytics here in the revenue. So for revenue, I made $160.66. I had 18.3K views, 681 watch time hours, 172 subscribers, and then the $160.66. So I published a few videos throughout the month. It was definitely a little bit random, but I was pretty consistent, so I'm happy with that. And then my lowest paid day looks to be December 24th at $2.27, which makes sense. Everyone is probably with their families, and I also hadn't posted a video that day. And then my highest day is December 8th at $9.13. And that most likely is from this income report video. Those tend to do really well and pay higher amounts throughout the month. So when I post them, usually my income goes up. So that is most likely why. And then let's just go to the revenue tab so I can show you the different videos here. So my RPM is $12.76. And then my highest paying video is a realistic first year of Amazon KDP. And then my resize Amazon KDP cover video, how to start KDP in 2023, which I really need to do a new 2024 video. Trust me, I have so many different videos and things I need to get done, but I plan to work on that. And then next is the income report video for November, which is actually pretty interesting. I'm not sure when I posted that though. And then new way to get suspended on KDP. Oh no, that made sense because November would be the income report video for December, and then the new way to get suspended on KDP. And then I do have one member right now in my membership program on YouTube. So thank you so much to that member. I greatly appreciate the support a lot. So thank you so much. And then shorts, I made 35 cents. So majority of the income all came from watch page ads, which is $158.22. And this is less than my previous months. I was making over $200 for a bit, and then this went down. But that's okay. I'm still pretty happy with this, and I'm glad to just be paid out each month with this because in order to get paid out, you need to make over $100. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm not sure my exact subscriber count then, but it was probably somewhere around 5,000-ish subscribers. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it was inspiring in some way. And this is just going over some more of my top content for December 2023. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.